Hey guys, my name is Lexi, and I'm here at Marshall today to bring you guys your new salmon eggs. When I first got to the tank, I put about 4 inches of water from the tank into the container so when I take the eggs out of the stocking, they wouldn't get injured. Here, I started to gently move the salmon eggs into the container. We put them in the container so you guys can count how many you have. Next, I untied the stocking and gently shook the salmon eggs out of the stocking. You have to be gentle so you don't harm any of the eggs. Here, I am observing one of the salmon eggs. If you look very close, you can see their little eyes. Next, I make sure that none of the eggs are stuck together so you guys can get an accurate count. Here is a picture of all the salmon eggs in the container. Have you done your population count yet? Next, I start gently pouring the extra water back into the tank. Here, we are putting the eggs in a cup, so it will be easier to pour the eggs into the tank. All the eggs are in the cup, and look at all those baby salmon. Next, I put the cup into the tank, but just a little bit so the eggs don't fly out of the cup and land all over the tank. Look at all those baby eggs fall.